Hello friends, good morning. So we had discussed part 3 of SSC most important questions of biology so far, and today we will discuss about the part 4 of SSC's most important questions of biology. So let's begin friends. These are my credentials. Now move on to the questions. We had discussed 120 questions in part 3 videos. Now we will start from question number 121. BCG vaccination is to be given to a newborn child immediately after birth, within 48 hours, within 7 days, within 6 months. So they are basically asking about the BCG vaccination. It is a vaccine that is given to a newborn child to protect it from against various protect it against from the ट्यूबरक्लोसिस डिजीज. सो ट्यूबरक्लोसिस जो जहाँ पर ज़्यादा प्रोन होती है डिजीज़, वहाँ पर ये बीसीजी वैक्सीनेशन एवरी चाइल्ड को वैसे इंडिया में देते हैं क्योंकि इट प्रोटेक्टेड फ्रॉम दी ट्यूबरक्लोसिस डिजीज इट इज़ ए लंग डिजीज जिसको हम टीबी भी बोलते हैं. सो हेयर द करेक्ट आंसर वुड बी B, within 48 hours. So BCG vaccination is to be given to a newborn child within 48 hours and it protect children from tuberculosis disease. Which among the following correctly explains the phenomena of a test tube baby? When every process of embryo formation takes place in the test tube, when the embryo develop in the test tube, when the fertilization is external and development is internal, when the fertilization is internal and development is external. So first we have to understand test tube baby. What is test tube babies? How they are developing? So इसको हम in vitro fertilization भी बोलते हैं, जो कि आजकल बहुत ही फेमस है. in vitro fertilization और IVF और test tube baby. in vitro fertilization और test tube क्या है? It is a process of fertilization where egg is combined with sperm outside the body. जो egg है that is combined with the sperm outside the body, that mean in the test tube or in the laboratory. laboratory के अंदर जो test tube या petri dishes होती हैं उसके अंदर embryos को develop किया जाता है, fertilization किया जाता है. and the process involve, इसमें ओव्यूलेशन जो वुमेन के होते हैं वो सारे एग रिट्रीव किए जाते हैं. एग रिट्रीव करने के बाद उसको कंबाइन किया जाता है स्पर्म से एंड देन दे मेक दी हेल्दी एम्ब्रियो. एंड एम्ब्रियो बनने के बाद उसको 4th या 5th डे पर ट्रांसफर करते हैं. दैट मीन जो फर्टिलाइजेशन होता है दैट इज आउटसाइड द बॉडी, दैट मीन इन द लैब. फर्टिलाइजेशन इज एक्सटर्नल और आउटसाइड द बॉडी एंड डेवलपमेंट कहाँ होगा? इंटरनल. वो जो एम्ब्रियो बनता है उसको ट्रांसफर कर देते हैं ये लोग उसके अंदर यूट्रस के अंदर. दैट मीन द डेवलपमेंट ऑफ एम्ब्रियो इज इंटरनल. आफ्टर 5 days it will be transplanted into the uterus. So here correct answer would be C, when the fertilization is external. fertilization क्या है? अभी मैंने आपको बताया कि fertilization is a process in which the fresh egg is retrieved from the body of woman and then it is combined with the sperm and so they fuse. After the fusing they will make your embryo बनाने के बाद doctor will transfer this embryo directly into the woman womb or uterus. So here answer is क्या है test tube का मतलब यहाँ पर? when the fertilization is external that mean outside the body and development is internal, that mean inside the woman womb or uterus or internally होता है उसका development. So here correct answer is C. Which of the following hormone is released in excess quantity during excitement? Cortisol, serotonin, adrenaline, estrogen. Here the correct answer would be C. That means adrenaline is a hormone which is released in excess quantity during excitement. It actually ये क्या करता है? Change your metabolism and get you ready to act. So इसको excitement hormone भी बोलते हैं. So here correct answer would be adrenaline. एड्रेनलिन को हम बोलते हैं एक्साइटमेंट हार्मोन. दैट्स व्हाई इट इज करेक्ट आंसर एंड इट इज रिलीज्ड इन एक्सेस क्वांटिटी ड्यूरिंग एक्साइटमेंट. पिगमेंटेशन ऑफ स्किन इज ड्यू टू ल्यूकोसाइट, लिम्फोसाइट, मोनोसाइट, मेलेनोसाइट्स. सो मेलेनिन एक हार्मोन है and this hormones it's not a hormone, it's a pigment that gives the skin its characteristic color. जो हमारी बॉडी का कलर होता है, हमारी स्किन का कलर होता है, that depends on the melanin pigment and these pigment actually secreted from the melanocytes. So here correct answer would be D. That means melanocytes are those cells that secretes the melanin pigment, and this pigment is responsible for the pigmentation of skin. Heart attack occurs due to bacterial attack on the heart, stopping of heartbeat, stopping of supply of blood to the heart, impatient of heart's working due to some unknown reasons. Here correct answer is C. Heart attack occurs due to stopping of supply of blood to the heart. जब भी हमारी जो भी आर्टरी होती है या वे आर्टरी होती है जो कि सप्लाई करती है ब्लड हमारे हार्ट को, सो जब ये ब्लॉक हो जाती है, दिस कंडीशन में heart attack occurs. Clove, the commonly used spices, is obtained from fruit, stem, root, flower bud. So clove is called as long in Hindi. It's obtained from the flower bud. Correct answer is D. Who is known as father of genetics? Morgan, Henry, J.G. Mendel, F.B. Morrison. So जो father of genetics है, correct answer would be C. Gregor John Mendel is the father of genetics. What are the blood corpuscles that help to build up resistance against disease? Leukocyte, monocyte, neutrophils, lymphocytes. So here correct answer is D. That means lymphocytes are the blood corpuscle that help to build up resistance against disease. ये हमको disease से बचाती है. It protected from disease, different type of various जो infections हैं उससे हमें बचाती है. And leukocyte क्या है? Leukocytes are white blood cells. It includes monocyte, neutrophils, lymphocyte. All cells are included in leukocyte. Leukocytes are white blood cell. So lymphocytes के अंदर include होते हैं B cells and T cell. Lymphocytes are having two type of cells, B cells and T cells. They provide immunity against various kind of disease, and it protect our body from various type of disease. So here correct answer is D. Leukemia is a disease of the lungs, blood, liver, brain. Leukemia is also known as blood cancer. It is a disease of blood, a cancer of blood forming tissue, and it ये क्या होता है, इसमें हमारी बॉडी जो एबिलिटी होती है फाइट अगेंस्ट इन्फेक्शंस के अगेंस्ट जो एबिलिटी होती है उसको हमारी बॉडी को रिड्यूस करती है. So basically it causes less immunity. So leukemia is a blood cancer. Enzyme pepsin breaks the protein down into smaller parts known as peptides, peptone, peptose, amino acid. Here correct answer is peptones. Peptones क्या है? It is a soluble protein that is formed in the early stage of protein breakdown. जब भी प्रोटीन breakdown होगी तो उसमें क्या बनेगा? सबसे पहला जो प्रोडक्ट बनता है वो होता है पेप्टोन. सो हेयर करेक्ट आंसर इज पेप्टोन. एंड जो प्रोटीन होती है दैट इज ब्रेक्स बाय द एंजाइम पेप्सिन. Biodegradable waste can easily be converted into useful substances by the use of bacteria, nuclear protein, radioactive substance, viruses. Here correct answer is A. That means bacteria is the microorganism that convert biodegradable waste into the useful substances. Influenza is caused by fungus, bacteria, virus, algae. Influenza is also known as flu. It is a common viral infection, so it is caused by the virus. So here correct answer is C. Hashish is obtained from a plant. From which part of the plant it is obtained? Leaves, stem, exudate from leaves and female inflorescence, and exudate from stem and male inflorescence. Here exudates mean the substance which is secreted from the plant or insect. So the substance which is secreted from the plant stem and male inflorescence, that mean the exudate mean the substance which is actually secreted from the plant cells. So here hashish meaning hashish क्या है? Hashish or it is also called as hash. It is a drug that is made from the resin of the cannabis जो plant होते हैं उससे obtain किया जाता है, and it is consumed by smoking a small pipe, typically like in if we put some drug in the pipe and vaporizer से ये ली जाती है. It's a drug. So here correct answer would be it is obtained from the stem and male inflorescence. Sorry, it's not correct answer. It is obtained from the leaves and female inflorescence. इसका correct answer है C. Correct answer is C. It is a substance that is released from the leaves and female inflorescence of cannabis plant. Which among the following glands is responsible for secretion of sex hormone? Pituitary gland, sebaceous gland, thyroid gland, adrenal gland. Here correct answer is D. Adrenal gland is the gland that is responsible for the secretion of sex hormone. Sex hormone basically released from the adrenal gland. Female, it secretes small amount of female and male hormone. What is the chromosome number in a human ovum? 24, 46, 48, none of these. Here because human जो होता है, human में होते हैं total number of chromosome कितने होते हैं? 46. But they are asking about the ovum. They are asking chromosome number in human ovum. So human ovum क्या है? This is a haploid cell that contain half the number of total number of chromosome. जितने भी हमारे chromosome है उसके half amount of chromosome are found in ovum cells or sperm cells because they are haploid cells. So here correct answer would be D. That means none of these because total number of chromosomes are in human being is 46 और 46 का आधा होता है 23. So there is no option of 23. So correct answer would be D. जो 23 होंगे, 23 is the total number of chromosome which is found in human ovum as well as human sperm. These cells are haploid. Haploid का मतलब है they are having half number of chromosome. Like unlike somatic cells. Somatic cells में कितने होंगे? Total number of chromosome are 46. Among the biotic component of the ecosystem, the producer system is sea, river, green plant, animals. Here correct answer is C. That means green plants are the producer of biotic. It's a producer of ecosystem basically, but it is a biotic component. Biotic means they are having life. So they are the producer of the ecosystem. In cauliflower, the useful part in which among the following? Underground stem, root, inflorescence, leaves. In cauliflower, the usable part is which among the following? So here correct answer would be C. That means young inflorescence जो होता है that is edible part of the cauliflower. Cauliflower, it's a useful part or edible part. Which is the gland that holds the body's thermostat? Pineal gland, pituitary, thyroid, hypothalamus. So what is thermostat here? Thermostat क्या है? Thermostat is a that control your body temperature. So here hypothalamus is a gland which is holding the body's thermostat. Hypothalamus is responsible for the body's controlling your temperature. जो भी आपके बॉडी का टेम्परेचर होगा वो किससे कंट्रोल होता है? हाइपोथैलेमस से. That's why it is known as thermostat of the body. The total number of muscles present in the human body is 556, 665, 565, 656. Here correct answer is D. 656 is the total number of muscle that is present in human body. Photosynthesis generally takes place in which part of the plant? Stem and leaf and other chloroplast bearing plants, bark and leaf, roots and chloroplast bearing plants. So जो photosynthesis होता है that takes place generally in leaves and other part of the plant which contain chloroplast and they are green in color. So here correct answer would be B. That means photosynthesis basically takes place in leaves and other chloroplast bearing plants because chloroplast के अंदर ही फोटोसिंथेसिस होता है. तो लीव्स के अंदर भी क्लोरोप्लास्ट होता है और जो भी पार्ट होता है ग्रीन कलर का प्लांट के अंदर, ट्री के अंदर, उसमें क्लोरोप्लास्ट होता है एंड क्लोरोप्लास्ट इज द प्लेस वेयर एक्चुअली फोटोसिंथेसिस टेक्स प्लेस. सो हेयर करेक्ट आंसर इज बी. विच ऑर्गन ऑफ द बॉडी नेवर रेस्ट? आईज, पेनक्रियाज, लिवर, हार्ट. Here correct answer is D. That means heart is a correct answer. It is a organ that never rest. ये क्या है? This heart is an amazing organ which continuously pump blood into your blood until you dead. So ये हमेशा काम करता है जब तक ये आपकी बॉडी के अंदर ब्लड सप्लाई करता है and provide oxygen to your all body part. So here heart ये एक ऐसा organ है जो कि continuously work करता है. It never rest. The fastest growing plant in the world is bamboo, rice, teak, monkey plant. It is a fastest growing plant in the world. It can grow up to 91 centimeter per day. ये 91 centimeter that means around 35 inches can be grown in one day. So it's a fastest growing plant in the world. Edward Jenner is associated with cholera, typhoid, smallpox, paralysis. Here correct answer is C. Edward Jenner कौन है? Edward Jenner is a scientist that who discovered the smallpox. He is invented the vaccination for smallpox. Bamboo is classified as bush, tree, grass, weed. Bamboos are largest member of grass family. So bamboo is classified as grass. Which one among the following is an egg-laying mammal? Bats, whale, monotreme, kangaroo. Correct answer is C. Monotreme species is a egg-laying mammal. They are giving a young birth to young one by laying eggs, while all are bat, whale, and kangaroo directly give birth young ones. So here egg-laying mammal is monotreme. Which one of the following is an enzyme? Somatotropin, trypsin, glucagon, insulin. Here correct answer is B. That means trypsin is an enzyme that is responsible for the breakdown of protein in stomach. And other A, somatotropin, glucagon, insulin, they all are hormones, while trypsin is an enzyme. The presence of what distinguishes a plant cell from an animal cell? Chloroplast, cell wall, cell membrane, nucleus. They are asking about the difference of plant cell and animal. That means क्या feature है, क्या presence है that अलग करती है plant cell को from an animal cell. So plant cell having the cell wall, while animal cell don't have cell wall. So here correct answer is B. Cell wall is contained by the plant cell, while animal cell don't have cell wall. Nuclear membrane is present in protozoan, prokaryotes, eukaryotic, none of the above. So here correct answer is C. Nuclear membrane जो होती है that is present outside the nucleus. It is present only in eukaryotic organism or eukaryotic cells or eukaryotes. While prokaryote doesn't have and protozoan also doesn't have nuclear membrane. They are single cell organism. Prokaryotic जो होती है वो protozoans are single cells and ये prokaryotes जो होते हैं उनमें वेल डिफाइंड ऑर्गन नहीं होता, इनमें न्यूक्लियर मेम्ब्रेन नहीं होती, माइटोकॉन्ड्रिया नहीं होती. सो मैनी अदर membrane bound organelle are not found in prokaryotic cell or prokaryotes, while eukaryotic cells has nuclear membrane. That means the membrane which is present in outside the nucleus. So here correct answer is C. From which animal is Rh factor derived its name? Monkey, housefly, dog, cat. First of all, we have to understand Rh factor or Rh antigen. It is also known as rhesus antigen. It is present on the blood cell, outer membrane of the blood cell. So blood cells जो होती हैं RBC होती हैं, उनके ऊपर ये फैक्टर होता है Rh factor. It was firstly identified in the rhesus monkey. Monkey के अंदर इसको isolate किया गया था. That's why it is it's derived its name from the monkey. Rh factor is derived its name from the monkey because it is found first time isolated from the monkey, rhesus monkey. So here correct answer would be A. That means monkey contain Rh factor, so it is derived its name from the rhesus monkey. Rhesus monkey से ये derive किया गया था Rh factor. Which is not a part of blood? RBC, WBC, plasma, placenta. So here correct answer is D. Placenta is not a part of blood cells, while RBC, red blood corpuscles, white blood corpuscles, and plasma is the part of blood. And what is placenta here? Placenta is a organ that is derived from the uterus during the pregnancy, and it provides the oxygen and nutrient to the fetus or embryo. ये जो भी बेबी होता है जो यूट्रस में होता है उसको क्या करती है? न्यूट्रिएंट प्रोवाइड करता है, न्यूट्रिशन प्रोवाइड करता है, ऑक्सीजन प्रोवाइड करता है. सो दिस इज ए टेम्परेरी स्ट्रक्चर दैट इज ओरिजिनेटेड फ्रॉम द यूट्रस. नॉर्मल हीमोग्लोबिन कंटेंट पर 100 ml ऑफ नॉर्मल एडल्ट मैन इज 11.5 ग्राम, 12.5 ग्राम, 13.5 ग्राम, 14.5 ग्राम. Here correct answer is D. That means 14.5 gram of it's a content per 100 ml of normal adult man. It's a normal content of hemoglobin which is found in per 100 ml. जो range है that is from 13.8 to 17.2 gram per 100 ml of hemoglobin. So correct answer is D. What provide instant energy? Fat, carbohydrate, protein, vitamin. Here correct answer is B. That means carbohydrate is the only molecule that provide you instant energy. ये तुरंत energy provide करती है आपकी body में. A plant with a compound leaf is papaya, coconut, peepal, hibiscus. Here correct answer is coconut. A plant with a compound leaf is known as coconut. And compound leaf means many leaflets are joined to a single stem. एक single stem होगी, वहाँ से many leaflets arises from a single part. White blood corpuscles are used by our body to carry oxygen, to dissolve protein, to combat infection, to help liver work. Here, the main work of white blood corpuscle is to save us from various type of disease or to combat infection, जो हमें infection से बचाती है. So here correct answer is C. The fibrous bone joint is found in the leg, jaws, skull, brain. Here correct answer is C. Fibrous bone joint is found in the skull, जिनको हम sutures भी बोलते हैं. Fibrous bone basically found in skull, or skull bone are connected via fibrous joints or bone that is found in our skull. Which crop helps in nitrogen fixation? Maize, bean, potato, rice. Here the correct answer is D, that means rice. Which crop help in nitrogen fixation? So rice crop is crop helps in nitrogen fixation, because rice crop जो होती है that remain in association with the nitrogen fixing bacteria. Some nitrogen fixing bacteria that are known as diazotrophs, they are responsible for the converting of atmospheric nitrogen to the organic nitrogen. That means it is available to the rice plant, so that it can easily available to the rice plant. So these rice crop is basically involved in nitrogen fixation. The branch of agriculture which deals with the feeding, shelter, health and breeding of the domestic animal is called dairy science, veterinary science, poultry, animal husbandry. D. Animal husbandry is known for breeding and caring of domestic animal. Who coined the term gene? Mendel, Beadle, Johnson, Watson. Here correct answer is C. That means William Johnson was the scientist who coined the term gene. Invent यहाँ coined का मतलब है invent. Who invented the term gene? So Johanson was the scientist. What is the scientific name of man? Rana tigrina, Canis familiaris, Felis domestica, Homo sapien. Here correct answer is D. The scientific name of man is Homo sapien. And Rana tigrina means it is a common name of frog. It's a scientific name of frog. Frog का नाम है. And Canis familiaris is a dog, scientific name of dog. And Felis domestica is a cat. So Rana tigrina is the scientific name of frog. Canis familiaris is the scientific name of dog, and Felis domestica is the scientific name of cat, and Homo sapien is the scientific name of man. The scientist who explained about blood circulation for the first time was Antony von Leeuwenhoek, William Harvey, Gregor Mendel, Ronald Ross. So here correct answer is B. William Harvey was the first scientist who explained about the function of heart as well as about the blood circulation for the first time. So here correct answer is B. William Harvey is the scientist who discovered the blood circulation in our body. So friends, I am stopping my video here, and we will do following parts in our next video. So thank you very much, and please subscribe my channel for latest updates of my videos. Thank you.